Welcome to artbarsurf.com. We are so pleased to introduce you Reddit automation tool, which can create a Reddit account in bank. Also can auto upvote, downvote, follow, join a post in communities, post message, upload evidence, create users, or check karma of Reddit accounts in bank. In this video, we will show you steps to scrape users by Reddit's automation tool. There are several basic systems that you have to set up before running this function, so please refer to the video of tutorial how to create a Reddit accounts in bank from the minute 1 to the minute 10. I will post link of this video in the description box. After setting up our basic setting action, you will select Scrape Users. Then turn to the short-term section. The software will use the keywords in this section to scrape users. So in case you want to run this function with default keywords, select a random string as short-term section here and click OK to run. To see these default keywords, you click on this icon and click on Add Text. You will see the keywords here. You can delete or add more keywords. Click on Text to see the keywords. In case you want the server scrape users with keywords as you want, you select List from File and then create a text file to contain keywords. You type the keywords here. Then save. Then click on this icon. Select the keyword file created. Then you click OK to run. You click on Show Browser to see how the server runs. The scraped username will be saved in the data folder. The server will create file of scraped username automatically, so you can click on one of these two files to see the username here. These demonstrate that above are steps that must be taken to scrape users on Reddit. With the Reddit automation tool, you can visit artbarsurf.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.